Have you ever spent a lot of time in your Adobe Character Animator project and one day you try to open your project and get this message? That makes you frustrated even worse, if you have no backup on hand. You will need to rebuild your entire project from scratch. Is there anything can save the project easily? I had Google across the web and checked the Adobe forums scene have no good solution. So I dig into the project folder and find the problem. It seems like Adobe used the GIT and SQLite manage the project progress. It's a good idea until sometime the system crashed or some reason the GIT's head file didn't write correctly. So we need to fix the head file and the problem will solve. Before you start to do anything, back up your entire project first and remember the next progress will have the risk to let you lost your whole project data forever. 1. Fix this problem need SQLite browser 2. Text editor will list link below. First, find the GIT head file in your project folder. If you use the Windows system, navigate to your project directory /chdata /repo.noindex/refs/head/master. If you use the Mac system, navigate to your project directory /chdata/repo.noindex/refs/head/master. Open the file called master with the text editor. If there was any content inside, clean it. Then use the SQLite browser, open the Adobe file. If you use the Windows system, navigate to your project directory /chdata /repo.noindex/old.sqlite3. If you use the Mac system, navigate to your project directory /chdata/repo.noindex/old.sqlite3. When you open the SQL DB, you will see the 4-row which is OID size, type and date. Find the size equal 252 that store your version string and switch the mode to binary. That will give you a binary value. Copy it and pass to your head file as one line. Save it and project will return to the last time the autosaves point.